Want to spice up your kitchen with the latest and greatest tools? These new Amazon kitchen gadgets are all about making cooking faster, easier, and way more fun. From time-saving helpers to space-saving wonders, they're total game changers. Check the description for all the links. Craving hot dogs for the whole crew? This electric steamer cooks up to 12 sausages and buns at once in just 12 minutes. It's got easy fill water spouts and a sliding tray, so setup and serving are a breeze. When you're done, everything nests together for compact storage. Game nights, parties, or quick lunches just got a whole lot tastier. This is an apple peeler that makes slicing apples a quick and fun task. With its easy-to-use design, it cuts apples into spiral slices without the need for sharp knives. The tool is made of food-safe plastic and is simple to clean. Just pop it in the dishwasher. It's a safe and efficient way to prepare snacks, making fruit a go-to option. This is a watermelon fork that makes cutting and serving watermelon simple. The 3-in-1 tool includes a fork, slicer, and popsicle cutter, so you can easily slice the fruit into cubes and enjoy it without the mess. The design combines a fork and slicer into one handy tool, making it great for both cutting and eating. This is a multi-cooker that replaces up to 14 different kitchen tools, making it a space saver and a versatile addition to your cooking routine. It allows you to sear and saute directly in the pot, eliminating the need to transfer ingredients to the stovetop. The cooking pot is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, great for finishing meals with a crispy top. Whether you're making stews, roasts, or bread, this cooker simplifies the process. This is a portable blender that lets you blend, twist, and go, offering ultimate convenience for on-the-go smoothies. It uses new technology, delivering the performance of a corded blender while being cord-free, so you can crush ice and frozen ingredients anywhere. The detachable vessel is 50% lighter than other models, making it even more portable. This is a smart toaster that offers 6 digital touchscreen shade settings, letting you choose the right level of crunch for your toast. The extra-wide slots easily accommodate thick slices of bread and bagels. With 3 cooking modes, toast, bagel, and frozen, it helps simplify your toasting without overcooking. The +10 button adds extra toasting time if you want a little more crunch. This is a countertop pizza maker that doubles as a sandwich maker, griddle press, tortilla press, omelet maker, quesadilla maker, and more, giving you plenty of cooking options. With a 1,440-watt electric skillet, it lets you cook everything from nachos to pancakes indoors without needing an oven. The non-stick surface makes cleanup quick and easy, so you can cook creatively without the hassle. This is a toaster oven that's compact enough for your countertop, but spacious enough to prepare meals for the whole family, with an 18-quart cooking capacity. It offers a variety of cooking functions like air frying, baking, grilling, and roasting, all with adjustable temperature and time settings. By using air frying, you can cook healthier meals without extra oil. This is a bread machine with 17 programs, offering a variety of baking options from whole wheat to jam yogurt and even pizza dough. It has a large 2-pound capacity and 3 crust settings, letting you customize your bread just the way you like it. With a 15-hour timer, fruit and nut dispenser, and 1-hour automatic keep warm function, you can wake up to fresh bread anytime. This is a set of food storage containers that helps organize your kitchen and pantry efficiently. With a stackable and space-saving design, they maximize the use of your pantry space. The set includes 4 different sizes: tall, large, medium, and small. Great for storing various dry goods like cereal, pasta, rice, and snacks. The airtight lids with silicone gaskets keep your food fresh by ensuring it stays dry. This is a sink caddy that helps keep your sink area organized and hygienic. It features a pop-out silicone brush holder that extends to fit longer brushes. With 4 suction cups and a wire ledge hanger, it provides a secure, no-slip grip. The caddy's design promotes faster drying with ventilation holes and elevated compartments to store sponges, reducing bacteria growth. This is an oil sprayer that offers a fine, even mist for controlled oil application. Its fan spray nozzle delivers precise coverage with just one full stroke spraying around 1 gram of oil. It works with various liquids like olive oil, soy sauce, wine, and more, making it useful for frying, grilling, and drizzling. The built-in filter prevents clogs, while the leak-proof design and anti-drip trigger make it easy to carry for outdoor activities. This is a set of 4 Lazy Susan organizers, each with a 10-inch diameter and a 1.4-inch height. They feature a diamond-shaped silicone non-slip surface and anti-slip base feet, ensuring stability. These turntables help turn clutter into order, ideal for organizing condiments, spice jars, drinks, snacks, and more on kitchen countertops or in the pantry. This is a glass popcorn machine that makes preparing a quick, healthy snack super easy. You can pop your kernels without needing oil or butter, and the dual-function lid helps melt butter if you want that gourmet touch. The glass design is durable, BPA-free, and dishwasher-safe, making it a reliable and easy-to-clean option for any kitchen. These silicone funnels are perfect for saving space and keeping your kitchen organized. Their collapsible design means they can expand when needed and easily fold up for storage in drawers or hang on a wall. They come in bright colors and different sizes, making them useful for various tasks in the kitchen. Cleaning is a breeze. Just rinse with soapy water or pop them in the dishwasher. Plus, they're made from food-grade, heat-resistant material, ensuring safety and durability for everyday use. This silicone faucet splash catcher is a practical upgrade for any kitchen. Its clever design features a slope that helps water drain quickly, so you won't have to deal with puddles or water spots. Made from soft and durable silicone, it's easy to clean and won't scratch your dishes. Besides catching water, it can also hold your sponge, dish soap, and other kitchen supplies, keeping everything organized. With its stylish look, it's a great addition to elevate your kitchen decor while keeping your countertop dry and tidy. Designed with 7 stainless steel double-headed spoons set and a leveler, the black plastic label on the magnetic measuring spoons, set stainless steel with clear United States standard measurement markings, is useful for you to cook pastry food or spice jars. This table gadget new apartment essentials spoon set is available in various sizes. Includes 1/8 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon plus, and 1 leveler. This is a pancake and cupcake batter dispenser that makes cooking fun and easy. With a 4-cup capacity, it's designed to help you pour perfectly sized portions without making a mess. The updated handle feels sturdy and won't break, so you can squeeze away with confidence. It's versatile enough for waffles, muffins, and even pizza sauce. Cleanup is a breeze, making it a handy addition to any kitchen. This is a banana cup slicer set that includes 2 handy tools in navy blue and cyan. They quickly slice fruits, eggs, and even garlic, making food prep easier. Made from durable materials, the slicers are designed to be safe with smooth edges that won't hurt your hands. Just place the slicer on top of the fruit and press down for perfect slices every time. It's a simple yet effective gadget for anyone who loves making fruit salads or quick snacks. This is a cleaning gel that works efficiently to tackle tough stains around your home. Simply apply it and let it sit for 5 to 8 hours for a hassle-free clean. It's easy to use. Just remove the seal and apply the gel directly to the affected area with no scrubbing required afterward. This versatile product is perfect for various surfaces, including sinks, tiles, and ceilings. This is a one-handed bottle opener that makes opening jars easy, even when the lids are tightly sealed or childproof. It's especially helpful for seniors or anyone with weak hands, like those with arthritis. Designed to mount under the cabinet, it saves counter space and is always within reach. The non-slip grip ensures a secure hold on any lid, requiring less strength to use. This is a mini griddle that goes beyond just making pancakes. It's lightweight and compact, making it a great fit for small kitchens or even your college dorm. With quick heating and non-stick surfaces, you can whip up everything from grilled cheese to cookies in no time. Plus, it's easy to clean and won't clutter your counter. This could be a thoughtful gift for anyone starting a new chapter in their life. This is a snap-on strainer that makes draining pasta, veggies, or any food super simple. It easily clips onto pots, pans, and bowls of different sizes, so you don't need to transfer food to a separate colander. Its compact size is great for saving space in the kitchen, especially if you're tight on storage. Made with durable silicone, it's both practical and stylish for everyday use. A handy tool for anyone who likes cooking without the extra hassle. This handy gadget makes enjoying fresh corn so much easier. It's designed to quickly strip kernels from the cob without much effort. Just twist and push. The best part? It's safe for kids to use since the blades are tucked inside. It's also compact, making it easy to store, and when you're done, you can pop it in the dishwasher for a simple cleanup. This is a stainless steel butter spreader that's perfect for spreading butter, jams, or cream smoothly without tearing your bread. The slotted holes along the blade curl hard butter easily, making breakfast hassle-free. Its ergonomic design ensures safety, even for kids using it to butter their toast or make chocolate curls. This spreader doubles as a cheese cutter, making it handy for more than just butter. A durable and practical addition to any kitchen. This is a handy microwave steam cleaner that makes cleaning your microwave quick and easy. All you need is water and vinegar, and you can even add lemon juice for a fresh scent. It saves time by using steam to loosen grime, so you don't have to scrub. Just run it for a few minutes, then wipe away any leftover mess. Its sleek design also adds a nice touch to your kitchen when not in use. This is a gravity-powered grinder set that makes seasoning your food a breeze with its one-handed operation. Just flip it upside down, and it automatically grinds your salt or pepper with an adjustable coarseness setting to suit your taste. It also has a warm LED light to make it easy to see how much you're adding. Powered by 4 AAA batteries, it's efficient and low maintenance. With its sleek, minimalist design, it fits perfectly into any modern kitchen.